Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to Empty Paradise's Cards and Collectibles. So today's a quick video. We're going to be going over a brand new Hot Wheel that just recently came out, a Hot Wheel RLC. But before we get started with checking that out, I do want to mention I do have a merch store, and I'm giving away this Hot Wheels RLC custom fleet side on my website. So if you guys go on, make a purchase, you guys are automatically entered to win this. There's the rules and everything on my website, so go check it out. Link in description down below. I have a lot of Hot Wheel mainline premium RLC cars, as well as monster trucks and a bunch of other cool collector cars. Huge variety. There's even a little search tab so you can search specific things if you're looking for that. Like if you're looking for like different like Skylines or Civics or anything, you just hit the little search button and see everything I have. I have a bunch of Hot Wheels on there and some other car related products. But like I said, make a purchase, automatically get entered into this Hot Wheels RLC giveaway. But while we're on the topic of RLC, we have the brand new Hot Wheels RLC 1971 AMC Javelin AMX. This thing is pretty crazy looking, and it's also a limited car. So you can see that sticker right there, and this one itself is 213 out of 30,000. So really low production number, and this is available on my website right now. So as you're watching this video, you go check it out. Link in the description down below. If you purchase this, you automatically get entered into that. So definitely go check it out. But I'm not going to be like fully opening this. I'm just going to go ahead and take it out of the plastic protector and be able to just kind of see it up close a lot better. So there's like the picture right there, which looks pretty cool, but there is the car itself. It has that really interesting design all over it, and it's like a Spectraflame kind of like, I guess, brown color with like the bright green. I think that looks pretty cool. And then even like the roof of it looks pretty cool as well. And then you can see like the detailed engine and everything. The grill looks really nice and detailed. There's the back end, has this giant fat tires, and they are Real Rider tires as well. But man, that looks actually really cool. Has that tan interior. And then when you look at the back of the card, obviously you got the little sticker right there, and then you see the little car through the window in the back. So I think this is a really awesome casting, and if you guys are interested, I actually do have two of them. So I have multiple available. They are already on my website, so definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But if you guys did like this video, hit the like button and let me know what you guys think of this. Do you guys think this was an awesome RLC, or do you think maybe they should have just kind of focused on more popular cars? Put it in the comments down below. I kind of want to hear your guys' opinion on this. But if you guys did like the video, like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.